In this video, you'll learn how to add Facebook Pixel to Calendly so you can better track and understand where your bookings are coming from. We'll go through each step slowly and clearly, and by the end, your Pixel will be connected and ready to capture valuable data from your scheduling pages. First, make sure you're logged into your Calendly account in a web browser. It's usually easiest to do this on a desktop or laptop so everything is visible and easy to click. Once you're in your Calendly dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different options for managing your account and events. In that left-hand sidebar, find and click on the option labeled Integrations and Apps. This is where Calendly keeps all the tools and connections that work with your account, including things like analytics, video conferencing, and marketing platforms. Clicking Integrations and Apps will open a page that lists a variety of tools you can connect. On this integrations page, you'll see a search bar near the top. Click inside that search bar and type Meta Pixel or Facebook Pixel. Calendly may list it under either name, but they refer to the same thing. The tracking code provided by Meta, previously known as Facebook, that helps you follow what people do after they click on your ads. After you type the name, you should see an integration result appear below the search bar. When you see the Meta Pixel or Facebook Pixel option, click on it to open the integration details. This page will usually give you a short description of what the integration does and how it helps you track conversions, such as booked meetings or page views from your Calendly scheduling links. On this page, look for a button or link labeled Go to Setup and select it. This will move you into the configuration view where you can actually connect your Pixel to Calendly. If you don't see the button right away, scroll down a little as it's often located below the description or in the main integration panel. Before you continue, make sure you have your Meta Pixel ID ready. You can find this in your Meta Events Manager inside your Meta business account. It's a series of numbers that uniquely identifies your pixel. You don't need the entire tracking code, just the pixel ID itself. It can help to copy it directly from Events Manager so you avoid any typos. Back in Calendly, on the setup page, you'll see a field specifically labeled for your Meta Pixel ID. Click inside that field and paste your pixel ID that you copied earlier. Take a quick moment to double check that the number matches exactly what you see in your Meta account. A missing or extra digit will prevent the pixel from working correctly. Once your pixel ID is pasted into the designated field, Calendly will handle the rest of the technical setup in the background. From that point on, visitors who land on your Calendly scheduling page, especially those coming from your Meta ads, can be tracked through your pixel. This allows you to measure which campaigns and audiences are actually driving bookings, not just clicks. That's all there is to it. You've gone from your Calendly dashboard into integrations and apps, found the Meta Pixel integration, clicked Go to Setup, and pasted your Pixel ID into the correct field. With that connection in place, you'll be able to use Meta's reporting and optimization tools to get more value out of every scheduled meeting.